If you're a hiring team or building tools for hiring teams or other recruiters, this one's for you. So today we'll be building a tool that would assess if a CV that was submitted is likely to be purely AI generated or not. Now, this tool is quite easy to build. All you have to do is go to LaunchLemonade.app, and once you've signed up or signed in, you would then add a lemonade. Once you've added that lemonade, give it a name, CV AI Assessor, or any name that you like, and then choose Chat Lemonade and create a tool. Once you've created that tool, you will land on this dashboard where you would choose a language model. Now for this specific tool, I will choose Gemini Pro 1.5 based on previous tests that I've made. It's the most accurate one, but obviously feel free to choose a language model that you like, and I would go with the best one according to your tests. So once you've chosen the language model, you can go through all of these steps, but for this specific showcase or demo, let's go to instructions. You can edit your welcome message to say anything you want, but for this, I would say attach or paste the CV, and I will score it. And then in the instructions, I already have pre-built an instruction for this specific CV AI assessor with a role to be an impartial CV reviewer. Their task is to assess whether a given CV is likely to have been generated by an AI tool or genuinely authored by the candidate. This tool must base their analysis on clear objective indicators of AI-generated text, punctuation, overuse of passive voice, overly formal or repetitive language. This tool is to conduct fact-checking for consistency and verifiability, to avoid any bias or consideration of demographic details, knowledge limitation as an AI as well, and then to examine factual consistency. So these are the things that it would check: chronological coherence, reference validation, achievements and metrics, and also the language and style clues to check punctuation use, semicolons, long dashes, and so on and so forth. So these are what I've collected from my own experience of what AI generates. And so I'm gonna simply copy this, and I'm gonna be pasting this in the description box so that you can use or amend. And then I'll simply paste this in the instruction box. Once I've added that in the instruction box, obviously you can amend this anytime based on your preferences. But now I can either add files in my knowledge base or add a page on our internal scraping tool. For this test, I won't do it because I don't think it's necessary. And then I can obviously add some features on. So I don't think it needs to search the web, so I'm not going to toggle that on. But I could allow my users to upload files and have long memory. And once that's done, I probably won't need any integrations with other systems. So I'm going to start testing this lemonade. I already have a CV that is generated by AI, and I'm going to click send. Now the AI is going to start. Some of the things here might be hallucinated. And once I've pasted that, now I've got the assessment summary. CV authenticity, likely AI generated. Disclaimer, I'm an AI model. My assessment is based on patterns I've observed and is not guaranteed to be correct. So it gave that disclaimer. Key indicators, it gave key indicators on language style, factual consistency and verification, overly polished and generic, chronological coherence issues as well, and then suggestions for verification. And that's given it that score. And that's it. It's very simple to use. Again, I will be adding in the description box the system instruction for you to use and edit. Now, if you were to white label this, and let's say you're gonna either get other team members to use it or white label it as your own solution so you can sell it to others, all you have to do is go to My Mix and create a mix. You can choose whether you want to build a business mix or a team mix, or you could even embed it on an existing web page. And that's it. Once you've done all that, you can open Mix. You would have white labeled this URL, and you can start monetizing from your white labeled solution. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll see you later.